Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at practical number 4 for our auxiliary guidelines. And this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos. We also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. So now today's practical, we're going to be looking at creating a triangular shaped guideline. So now there is a few ways we can go about it. Once again, some more simple than others, and depending on the desired dimensions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave you guys to figure this out. So I'm just going to click pause and then have you guys try it. And then when you're done, you can unpause and see the method I took. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys have tried it, but I'm going to quickly run you through the method I took. There is a few ways we can go about it. The most simple perhaps is, in my case, you select everything. Let me just remove everything here. I'm going to add a triangle. Say the dimensions I wanted, so I'm going to make the width 100. I'm sorry, the width 100 and the height 60. You can do the degrees there if you want. Otherwise, I say okay and choose positioning. Put it here somewhere in the center. Now, if you want to add a degree turn to this guides, then I would definitely recommend maybe using this method, as it's quite simple. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my actual auxiliary line width distance. Let's leave it 10. Click on the outsides, and there you go. Very simply, we've got a triangular guide. Now, another way you can do this, you can obviously go to your actual guides. We have ones with that you can use with the inclination, so you can set the inclination. But what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to put a horizontal line as a base and span that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the line with 2 points. So then I'm going to do similar to what we did with the triangle here. So I'm going to set it on the X. I'm going to go 50, so halfway of 100, and put it up 60. Say okay, span this, and then we're going to add another one quick. So I'm going to use the same tool, but this time we're going to start on 50, and then the Y is 60, so it's going to be up there, and then X over here we're going to go 100 and leave Y 0, so it goes back to the bottom. Say okay, and there you go, we've got another triangle shape. Now, like I said, there's two methods. I prefer using a shape because it gives you the ability to put it in a nice degree angle and still have a triangular guide. But this method is also pretty solid if you know your dimensions you're looking for. But yeah, otherwise that is it out on the how to create a triangular guide. If we had to add you to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the new form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.